It's Friday, February 9th, and I just picked up a HomePod from the Apple Store, so let's unbox this thing. Make sure to set the HomePod box on a desk or other flat surface because after removing the plastic, the box just slides up to reveal the HomePod. And yes, after it was delayed, the HomePod is finally here. Unlike the iPhone and other Apple products, there is not a plastic wrapping around the HomePod itself, just a small piece covering the display on the top. The power cable has a nice texture, similar to the cloth mesh that wraps the HomePod. The power cable is attached to the HomePod and is about 6 feet in length. The only other item included in the box is documentation which includes warranty information, legal documentation, a quick start guide, and yes, there is a single Apple sticker as well. After connecting the HomePod to power, bring your iOS device near and setup can begin.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's try it. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Playing all songs, shuffled. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
If you have any questions, leave a comment below or tweet @AnAwesomeGuide. Until next time, have a wonderful day.